Meaning of flirt.
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 Flirt. Flirt refers to behaving in a playful or suggestive way towards someone in order to show romantic or sexual interest. The result of flirting can vary depending on the individuals involved and the context of the interaction. If both parties are receptive, flirting may lead to a successful romantic or sexual encounter. However, if one person is not interested or if the behavior is unwelcome, flirting can lead to rejection or even harassment. It's important to be aware of and respectful of other people's boundaries when engaging in any kind of flirting.